Hello again. Well, I have my car partly taken apart. It's very easy to do a boost leak check. I was planning on building my own kind of block off things, but I actually found that the previous owner had already bought this. So now I've just taken off this lower intercooler pipe, and I'm gonna put this in and attach it, and then do the same thing on the other side and block off the air here. So now we're ready to check. So I have a compressor with a gauge, so I just attach it. And the goal is that it should hold 20 psi for 20 seconds. Which it did not do, so now I have to figure out where the boost leak is. Okay, I can actually hear it coming out from the back of this hose here. So that wasn't too bad now. And there was a very good reason why there was a boost leak. Very randomly and luckily I bought a set of different size silicone hoses probably many years ago. And one of them is the exact same size that I need. So I just cut off a small part and I'm gonna replace it. Alright, I replaced that hose here with the silicone one. Now I have redone the test, done to 20 psi. There's absolutely no sounds at all, and it's been holding for way more than 20 seconds. So, boost leak complete. Very happy.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.